Okay, guys, these are the 7 things stopping you from making sales even when you run ads. You are paying people to run ads, you are filling their pockets with money, or you are running your ads yourself and then nothing is still happening. Your business account is still dry, like the sand in the desert. These are the things you need to do. These are the very important steps you need to take. Now, let's hop right in. So, guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in Nigeria, in Africa, wherever you are watching this right now. I needed to bring this to you because this is very, very important. There are a couple of things I've noticed, and it's like a trend now, and so many people are really not paying attention to it, right? But I needed to drop this here because I'm in a product business too. I have an e-commerce store where I sell physical products to items people. So I know what it feels like selling to Africans. I know what it feels like selling to Nigerians. I know the daily stresses we still have to go through every single day, right? Trying to sell even a piece of our item, or how trying to get our products sold out. Now, these are the reasons why even sometimes when you contact people, maybe you feel you're not running ads properly, you contact people, but then you are still not getting the results you want to see from the ads, right? Now, the first thing is your page. You're running an online business. I am very, very sure whatever business you run, as long as it's a physical product business, you have a platform either on Facebook or Instagram. Now, here's the thing, you need to stop treating your page like it's a robot or a computer speaking to people. In Africa, in Nigeria in particular, it is very, very difficult to do business with people like that. They need to speak to you. They need to see you. They need to see how you work. They need to see behind the scenes of everything you do, right? It will really help you. It will help your conversions. It will help everything you do in that business. And that's the only way they can trust you. They need to see these things you are posting, you using them, you creating jokes with them or stuff. They need to see all these things. They need to realize they are speaking to humans. That's one thing they need to see. Else, you won't get a single sale. Even if you run ads, you run sponsored ads, you won't get anything. Now, the second thing is you need to let people know exactly what they gain from you, right? If you don't know how to do this, or you don't know how to really dive down into this, look at your competitors. You are never going to be the first person to start a particular business. Trust me. If you're going to say, okay, you sell um, tortoise shell, trust me, there are other people in this part of the world, here in Africa, in Nigerians, that sell tortoise shell. Go to their platforms. If they have physical farms or stores or whatever, Instagram pages, Facebook, go to their platforms and see how their business operates and look at what is working for them. That is how you're able to craft your own path, and then you can then make your own unique. There's nothing at all. There's nothing at all. Even people that are in bad businesses, people that maybe they sell human body parts or something. And I know it's crazy I'm speaking about this. You have to look at what they are doing. What they are doing determines how you be. It's not as long as you're not blatantly copying them, you can look at what they are doing, emulate what they are doing, and twist it in such a way that it is unique to your own business, right? Good. Now, the third thing is you have to post a lot of how to's, entertaining contents. If you ship in physical products, maybe fashion products, furniture, kitchen appliances, or kitchenware like cooking appliances, right? You have to show where you are going to pick up stuff from the container. You have to show your abokis unloading your goods from the container. You have to show where you are loading your goods into the cab or the car or truck carrying them to your store. You have to show arrangements in your store. You have to show an unboxing video. Show people all these things. That's how they know you are real. That's how they know your page is real, your face is real, your business is real. Don't come on your page and just post up white background pictures of picture of stuff you are selling. A couple of days ago, or weeks ago rather, um, the head of Instagram, Facebook, they announced it that they are focused more on the creator sector, video content and engagements. They said that, meaning you will not be getting so much from just post engagements. That's like just pictures. So you need to focus more on entertaining content, how to's, behind the scenes. I'm sorry I didn't write behind the scenes here, but that's what you need to focus on, right? Don't be so salesy all the time, and let people know what they stand to gain. Let them see your product. Let them see what it is, how it actually appears to the layman. In this part of the world, you don't expect me to just click on a link, drop it to one website, click on something, and you've made the sale. No, they want to ask questions. Even when you answer the questions in your page or whatever, they will still send you messages to answer these questions with insight. They need a deeper insight to how you actually solve these problems for them. I've given you instances on how to do this. The next one is learn proper targeting. It is very, very important. I know a majority of businesses use Facebook and Instagram for promotions. If you're not into Google ads or YouTube ads, the Facebook and Instagram you are very conversant with. Please learn it properly. Don't boost posts. Don't boost posts. Even the posts where you put up and you're using visit Instagram, you are clicking on visit Instagram profile from your Instagram itself, it's not doing the best for you. And let me tell you why. It is because there's something called retargeting, and you cannot do it on Instagram, right? You cannot do it on Instagram, right? So the best way to go about this is running your ads from the Facebook Ads Manager. Run your ads from the Facebook Ads Manager. Let it display on both Facebook and Instagram because your customers are both on Facebook and Instagram. Please, I'm begging you, this is what you need to do. I also showed you how to set up a cheap website or a landing page where you can show people your products, or also you can drive them into your WhatsApp. I've shown you how to do this. It's in the Build Your Launch via WhatsApp course, the new one that was just launched. I drop videos about this on my Instagram page. Please learn these things. Learn these things. It's really important. If Zuckerberg decides to close Facebook or Instagram today, are you saying you will go out of business? No, that's why you need a platform to keep your people. You need somewhere to keep your people. If it's WhatsApp, if it's Telegram, if it's phone numbers on an Excel sheet or a spreadsheet, if it's email marketing, keep people somewhere, right? Keep people somewhere. So even when you run ads with Facebook and Instagram, drive them there so you can keep them on your platform. Then they can make their inquiries about what you buy or what you sell and everything. Do you understand? Also, another thing is your product photography has to be very good. It has to be top notch. Your product photography really has to be top notch. Very, very important. It's top notch. Please, please, and please. Gone are the days where we post pictures. I see some fashion businesses still posting pictures of Chinese people wearing their dresses with watermarks on the pictures. Can you really use that to run ads? Can you, if you are being shown that kind of item and you want to buy from that brand, will you really buy from that? No. Take proper pictures with your own hands. Get a good background. Use a phone camera. If you cannot afford to hire a videographer or photographer, use your phone. Clean your camera lenses before you take pictures. Snap your pictures behind a very sharp and catchy background. Let them be very presentable, but let them look very natural and original, not like online fashion pictures from random websites, right? Please do that. Or better still, take pictures of your products with someone using them. If you're in a fashion business, picture your products with someone wearing it. If you're in the kitchenware or home appliances business, take the pictures of them in your store or behind a very clear background. Po- um, your your product photography is very important these days. These are the little things stopping you from making sales, right? Good. The next thing is always follow up on every single inquiry. For some reason, we just have that culture of not following up on people. You may not get the sale the first time. There are people that come into your page, they make inquiries on something, they do not buy until after a month, after 3 months, because they take out that time to look at your page, to watch you. What's this guy about? What are they doing on this page? Okay, he's posting reviews. Wow, people are really buying. Wow, okay, look at what the blender looks like. Okay, look at what the shoe looks like. Look at what the dress looks like. Show people these things. Show them these things. That's why you really need to be strong with videos, right? You need to be very strong with videos. Always follow up. Someone came in, made an inquiry, but they left. By the next day, within 24 to 48 hours, politely come back to them. I show you how to do all of this in the in the in the build your launch via WhatsApp course. You see even urgent sales scripts you can use that to even make you get the sale by the next time you message them. Scripts you can use sharp to get the sale over the line, so they don't stand on the edge just making inquiries, because you need to follow up. You need to follow up every single time. Why do you think your favorite service providers still send you messages even if they know you will come back to them? Why do you think so? Why do you think Big Brother Nigeria, the show will be on, they know you are watching, but still they are sending you text messages, sending you emails, sending you promotions, even on TV, telling you to resubscribe or do not forget to subscribe. Or they are telling the host, Ebuka, they are telling Ebuka to keep reminding you to subscribe so you can keep watching, to subscribe, to subscribe. You need to follow up. It is very important. It is very, very important to follow up on every single inquiry, even if it's a faceless account, these faceless accounts where you don't see any display picture on Facebook or Instagram. Follow up. I've shown you how to do this. Follow up. Use the scripts. Hello, good afternoon. You made an inquiry about this, but we didn't seem to get the stuff anymore. Is there any way I can help, or are there any doubts you'll be having towards? You understand? Follow up on them. Yeah. And now, lastly, guys, lastly, this is the plain truth about it all. E-commerce in local, that is buying and selling, exchange of products and services in Africa in general, is still at grassroots level, right? It is still at grassroots level. Please, please, and please do not let anyone deceive you. Do not let anyone deceive you, telling you all you need is a website and you get conversions, blah blah. You need to do all these things. Have the website for them to know you are legitimate. And if you're getting a website, I know so many people are jumping to Paystack and Flutterwave now, but I would also suggest for retargeting purposes, so you can run ads to the website and then show your ads to people that have seen the product before from your Instagram. It's advisable you use one of the two methods, the cheap websites options I gave you. It is very, very important. Or better still, you can just use Flutterwave if you just want any random website, right? How to set it up with Flutterwave or how to set it up with Paystack. You should do that. You should do that. Very, very important. But it is still very local. That is why you need to get people on your WhatsApp, get people on your email list, and also keep them engaged on your profile. That is how you keep them. We have the average customer has an attention span of about 3 seconds. In about 3 to 5 seconds, if they don't hear or see from you or see anything from you, they tend to forget about you and they are moving on to the next person. So you need to find ways to keep them engaged. I really hope all of these made sense to you. And if you want to know how to apply these practically, if there's anything you're not clear about, send me a DM on my Instagram page or Facebook at Mr. Trill Life, or join the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group, the Build Your Launch free group. So, guys, if you're interested in joining the Build Your Launch via WhatsApp course right now, it is very, very essential for you to have that, because then you are able to drive more people in and then also keep them in your funnel and keep engaging with them until they are ready to buy. If you are ready for this, click the link on my bio right now. Follow the first link. It says Build Your Launch via WhatsApp. That's the first link. Follow it right now and get into the course and see everything I've explained to you. It's in detail. It's very easy using the scripts, getting the app. Everything is very easy and it's free. Just the way, and the websites are super cheap too. So the websites are super cheap. Under 5K, you can get a fully blown website where you can use for your business. So guys, and you pay to them. You don't pay anything to me. You set up everything yourself. You can follow the course step by step and do everything yourself. If you are ready for this, follow the first link in my bio right now and you need to hop right into it. Please join and let's keep the conversation going. Very important. Or alternatively, send an email to support at mrtruelife.co. Send an email to support at mrtruelife.co. Support at mrtruelife.co. Very, very important. I'm rooting for you and I want to see you win